Give you some good fuck. Lights, the music turned off.
Alright, watch this. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside Renando. I'm going to come for share my take on this, the Alkaline and the Nicki Minaj thing we are going currently in a dancehall. See, here's my take. Nicki Minaj, you see if you just know Alkaline music, cool. You see if you know it long time, also cool. You will grow to love it. But what I say is, bro, you see what I see going, bro, with Nicki Minaj, you can't do what you do and feel like, say, Vendetta fans or Alkaline fans are going to run into you because they do what you do. You doing what you doing is like an art of war, yeah, sure. Because, Zane, you post up an Alkaline song and you say, me read between the line with the song now. A lot of people may read between it and a lot of people may not read. But me read between the line and see why the song. She said, she not like ungrateful people. Ungrateful people are fussy. I not use the word that she used. She said ungrateful people are fussy and don't sell on a soul. My point of view to that, when me read between it, is like she say, yo, me feel like a Vybz Kartel she aim at, me may be wrong, but to my knowledge, all it look by she referring to all of that or she stating them something there. Me feel as if though she may give Vybz Kartel some strength in a whatever situation. Or remember she and Vybz Kartel did jump on a song, Touchdown with Styler G. Zine? And she may give her strength on the song or whatever, in a whatever reason, she may give Vybz Kartel strength but we don't even know about. And because Vybz Kartel bigger, and let me tell you, you see, the politics were in a dancehall and worldwide, if you not read it, you will get lost in a sauce. Zine? So Vybz Kartel went on the Jinx Trumps and him big up Lil Kim and him big up Cardi B. Say him would have loved Cardi B come at him wedding or perform at him wedding and Lil Kim are one of his favorite artists. Now, knowing that over the years Nicki Minaj been a champion Beanie Man, say Beanie Man is our fear king of the dancehall. And she never she rate Vybz Kartel, but never has she ever once acknowledged Vybz Kartel as to say he's the king of the dancehall or he's the current king. Now, maybe Vybz Kartel took it to heart because we all know Vybz Kartel is petty also, just like Nicki Minaj. Seen? Maybe him take that to heart because trust me, people, Vybz Kartel see everything will go on the media. There's nothing that goes on the media with Vybz Kartel don't know about. And maybe Vybz Kartel take it to heart because in recently we see the way Nicki Minaj post up Vybz Beanie Man on her Instagram status saying my king of the dancehall and Ray. So Vybz Kartel may take that to heart where him feel as though Nicki Minaj disrespect him or him feel disrespected because Nicki Minaj never championed him and she championed Beanie Man say he my king of the dancehall. And him take it to heart and show some slight side of pettiness and say, oh, my favorite artist is Lil Kim and Cardi B perform. Now, once you hear in a conversation on the Jinx Champ where he acknowledge the fact that, yeah, Nicki Minaj are one of his favorite artists or whatever, he sided with Cardi B and Lil Kim, knowing say Lil Kim and Cardi B are enemy to Vybz Kartel. All right, fast forward to everything now. Now, Nicki Minaj, on the other hand, who is petty also, and her last name is Petty also, get it? She's petty and her last name are petty because she married to her husband with him last name are petty. Now, she doing all of that. She seen all of what Vybz Kartel do on the Jinx Cam because everybody watches Jinx Cam. A lot of people watch it because it have million ad views on YouTube right now. So a lot of people tune into it and know it. Now, Nicki Minaj see that and realize, say, yo, you know, say, something might go on this or, you know, Vybz Kartel try shade her in a sense. And she just felt like, yo, since you diss me, and as me say, it seems as though Nicki Minaj know of Alkaline, but she probably not to listening music. And then she know what go on in the dancehall space, the Vybz Kartel and Alkaline are the current rivalry right now in a dancehall. There's no bigger rivalry than that. So she seen that and say, you know, say right time this for me shade him back and say, yo, Alkaline all day. She a listen Alkaline all day. And she's saying that somebody in her circle or somebody where she know put her on to Alkaline music, which is good. And that's me saying, bro. It's good for people to put on people on other music. Because I know a lot of people are going to know a lot of music or experience or get to know a lot of music. So it's good to put on people. So she said somebody put her on Alkaline and she rate Alkaline music and she say, yo, Alkaline a bad artist. As I say, she may know of him and she may not listen to music because Nicki Minaj influence in our culture currently and she's been influenced in the dancehall culture. So she always interact and she always, associate herself with dancehall culture, dancehall fans or whatever. So she's in tune and she know of Alkaline. Nobody couldn't say she don't know of him, but maybe she not really listening music or whatever. So that now, she felt the need, make me shade back either Cartel and something currently are going on with she and Marshall Montana over Trinidad. So me feel as though with the Drink Champ thing coming up, she go on, she feel like, remember this. Let me share Vybz Kartel back. Because as I'm saying, if you read between the lines with the reasoning on the post on Instagram, she say, she not say, me I show you what a real vendetta is. I don't fuck with ungrateful people because them are fussy and don't sell your soul fussy wall. So she said that. So me I read between them and say, it look like something in something this. Because she say, why post an Alkaline song, which is a girl song, and say, a Alkaline, me I listen all day, and then I shade. A girl song, I use for this song towards either Vybz Kartel or Marshall Montana. So me I read between them and say, that don't look right. That look away, that look like some shade, but me not even put no energy to it, because I just know, say, and Nicki Minaj, she a big influencer, and if she listen to Alkaline, that's kudos to Alkaline and kudos to she, because I rate that. I would love to see that. Because, we always want artists get the cosign and the, all of them stop there. So for see that, me say it's a good thing, but at the same time, me saying it's a good thing, but at the same time, me I say, this don't look right. Why all the time when people either want this somebody, them I use an Alkaline song for this somebody. That for sure how powerful the youth is and how great, but for diminish the youth name, you can't use, you're going to use the name pertaining to this when you're this somebody, and at that part them in a lie. If you rate him, just rate him cross the board and not just because you want this somebody, and you're going to send all sort of, you're going to write a long thing, a long paragraph on your Instagram with the song, and I say, rare. So me I say, that not right, that not look right. If you rate the artist, just rate him overall. Whether posting a song over your picture, them fine, but you're going to post something and say, rare. Me not like fussy wall and me not like ungrateful people and don't sell the soul and rest. So me I say, that not look right, that look away. So me I say, Jaja, this only give people more strength to say rare, or only when time them are these people them use Alkaline song. But nevertheless, him song get co-signed by Nicki Minaj or whatever in a different situation. So me I say to that is, bro, Nicki Minaj doing that, what she do, it just look away and it look shady. And we vendetta fans, we now go run into something like that and feel like, say, it's a good thing what she do, and we respect that what she do. No, because she had somebody and I use the dog song, which is not right. And then, funny thing is, you right after all of them shit, that's why I wonder. It makes real sense now that you shading somebody with whatever you post up, and you post up the dog song, and then right after that, you're going to follow somebody, you're going to follow the dog that looks suspicious. You've never, one thing, with social media, when somebody just start follow people, people always can track or retract back when the following start, because people, the social media, people them and the blogger them on social media, on Instagram and wherever, them always on point when it comes to them thing there. So, then realize that Nicki Minaj follow Vybz Kartel, follow Alkaline right after that. So me are thinking to it, I say, this don't look right, man. This looks suspicious. This look weird. So me I say, Jaja, you rate the dog, but at the same time, you use the dog music for this. And countless times we see Alkaline, that me show you as again, me say, I mean danger. Alkaline music is always the music to reference when it come to whether somebody are this somebody or big up or whatever. So me I say, Jaja, I saw the youth thing powerful that them have a draw for that, them always have a draw for your song or whatever when it comes to Alkaline or when it comes to them dissing somebody. So me I say, yo, that not look right, bro. You just go follow the dog right after you doing all of that over the social media. That make me come to the conclusion for think and say, yo, you know, say, I either Vybz Kartel share this. So that no, me I say to you, say yo, you know, say I really Vybz Kartel and Alkaline are the most prominent dancehall artists right now in the game. All the time Alkaline never do nothing, never drop no song. Cause look, the big international artists like Nicki Minaj. Share this either, as I'm saying now, me not fully come to the conclusion to say directly Vybz Kartel share this, but me I say it's either Vybz Kartel or Marshall Montana, but majority of the percentage are aimed towards Vybz Kartel, because you're going to say Ray, you say, and then you're going to follow Alkaline after. Now, if it was Marshall Montana, it wouldn't look no way if you say, yo, it would not look no way if you say, yo, you're this Marshall Montana and follow Alkaline. People wouldn't think too much into it, but majority of people they must say, yo, because of the Vybz Kartel thing and Ray. And as I'm saying, bro, if she rate Alkaline, but that not take away the fact that, yo, you great from man, even when she not rate him, or if she rate him, even if she just rate him. No, so she's saying that she just get put on to the Alkaline, which is a good thing, but at the same time, bro, you just get putting on to the Alkaline, but still, you send shots at whoever, and I say, you know, rate ungrateful people. That make me come to the conclusion, again, I have to say, because you say you either give Vybz Kartel strength or you know, you do a collab with him on the touchdown song, and Ray. So yeah, say, so she probably say, yo, Cardi B never do nothing with you. Lil Kim never do nothing with you. Me will do something with you. You come out, you're not even, you know, you, as I said, them petty, you know, you're not even come out and say, yo, Nicki Minaj are one of your favorite artists, them also, in the whole conversation, but you never call her name. You say a Cardi B and Lil Kim, knowing those are her enemies. So me I look into it and me I say, you know, say both sides carry feelings, because Nicki Minaj feel as though because Vybz Kartel no big her up as him favorite artist too, and Vybz Kartel on the other hand, him feel away because Nicki Minaj not prop him up and say him are the king of the dancehall, or he's the current king of the dancehall, because right across the board, you know, Nicki Minaj prop up Beenie Man all the way along. Beenie Man is one of our favorite artists, as she said. She been a said that, but still, she big up Vybz Kartel and give him props all the way also. But me not understand why. And this whole thing started because of Vybz Kartel, you know. Vybz Kartel is a man who carry feelings for the least things. And because Nicki Minaj never come out rightfully and say, yo, Vybz Kartel like current king being a man. You did your time, Ray, time for you give it up. No, she never did that. Even when a lot of people did that, do it. She never do that. So because she never do it, and maybe him did give her a certain amount of respect, and because in the midst of everything where did that go on, she never big him up and she never prop him up, give him the reason for feel as though, yo, you know, so she not rate me or she not give me king or Ray. Because by all means and truthfully, bro, a man like Vybz Kartel, he seeks validation. And if you're a big international act or whatever, your name big, you're influential, he probably would want to seek some sort of validation from them because them big out there and them well known. So if you see that Nicki Minaj never give him that prop, knowing that a man like maybe Drake may give him that prop, him look on it away, because Nicki Minaj and Drake have slightly the same influence. Drake may be bigger than her, but you know, them international, so them have the impact and them have the pull. So he must say, yo, oh, Nicki Minaj, him probably I think I said, oh, Nicki Minaj don't do that. So that's why he felt the need to show a petty shade towards her and say, yo, a Cardi B more come at my wedding. A Lil Kim are my favorite artist, and not once he mentioned Nicki Minaj in the conversation in the drinks champ. So over the years, as I said, bro, Nicki Minaj and Vybz Kartel shares the same side to them, even though they are both different signs. One a Capricorn, one a Sagittarius, but they both share the same pettiness. Because Nicki Minaj, prop up Vybz Kartel, same as the current king. And because Vybz Kartel never give Nicki Minaj the big respect where she forget as to say, yo, as she are the queen of that, as she are the queen of hip hop, or a she and favorite artist, or him want she perform at him wedding or whatever, makes it look away now that Nicki Minaj put up Alkaline, a prop up Alkaline, and that's what I say, bro. You can't prop up Alkaline in the midst of you going at it with somebody. Prop him up naturally. Don't prop him up because you are beef with somebody or you are throw shots at somebody. And at that part, I think them gonna like. And that's how I reason with me. I say to myself, say, yo, this look away. Even though everybody have a mixed reasoning towards it, I say, yo, and a cartel is a different man, a Marshall Montana. But when I look into it, I say, it kind of adds up. It really adds up in our sense to say, yo, it look like, say, yo, a Vybz Kartel share this because why all of a sudden after everything you go follow Alkaline? See? And knowing that people are go do their research to see if you follow him. And it shows that you just follow him right after the incident with you posting him. Nothing is wrong with saying, yeah, you get put on to him but music, which you should have been put on to his music a long time because Alkaline is a very great, he's a great musician. So to see that you haven't been put on to him, it's okay because the market is a wide market and it, as I said, a lot of people, a lot of artists out there. So if you put on to him late, fine, it's a good thing, same way. So as I say, people, me a meds in myself and me I say, yo, it look away, but for sure, no, bro, Alkaline is one of the greatest thing right now in a dancehall. Alongside Vybz Kartel. As I say, I'm not take away Vybz Kartel greatness because people jump up in the comment section and behave like, say, yo, Alkaline no great or Alkaline no do nothing for the game or Alkaline not do nothing for the game. So, me I put it out there and I tell you, bro, Alkaline been great and Alkaline is great. As time goes by, he must show it. And bro, the man never current musical wise now put out no music like that. I will still see, bro, the impact we have on the dancehall space, whether diasporal wise or locally. We see it, bro, the man now do it, no music like that, and other people, artists that do the music, and them name now call. Yeah, he's a column in a game, and also he's a great artist, so to see that Nicki Minaj prop him up, it's a great look. It's a great look because over the years, we've seen Cardi B prop up Alkaline too and give it and co-sign him and give him respect and say, yo, Alkaline a bad artist. And she said she want to do collab with him also, so Alkaline Cardi B been want to collab with Alkaline, just as how she want to do it with Vybz Kartel. But for see Nicki Minaj out now do it right, it's a great look. But as I say, people, it just look away for she say, yo, Nicki Minaj a shade somebody, but at the same time, she say rare. You know, she say she not like ungrateful people and don't sell her soul fast. So it look like say a Vybz Kartel it that aim towards, and that's just my 2 cents we made up to share with this whole thing. Don't try to prop up Alkaline when you are this somebody. Prop him up genuinely. Where you really mean it. Yeah, you rate the music and you get put on. But as I say, don't try to, you know, you can't try to lily down my artist thing and make it look like, say, yo, all the time, them are these people, them use them song. No, because the youth song them great, cross the boat. So that's me I say, bro. Prop him up genuinely and naturally because Alkaline is a man that them man they not running into people, dog. Them man they not post on the media. Them man they just keep a mystique around him name, and that's how he brands himself, and that's how he uses supply and demand. And that's how we see over the years where him still dominant and him still in demand. So don't prop him up when you are this somebody, prop him up genuinely. Because he's well known. World domination, he's a world dominant artist, so he's well known, so as I say, bro, that's all I have to say. I'm have to just share my 2 cents. You know you got ready, man. Our vibes and insight when not there. I just want to make the people them know where me I come from with the whole thing. You see me? Man, I'm out.